My child, I know you have been praying and hearing nothing. I know you have been crying out to me night after night, and the silence feels heavier than any answer you could have received. I know you have started to wonder if I am even listening, if I even care, if maybe you did something wrong that made me turn away. And I need you to hear this truth that will change everything. My silence is not my absence. My silence is my strategy. You think I am not answering because I am ignoring you. But the truth is, I am not answering because I am protecting you. There are things you are asking me for right now that would destroy you if I gave them to you today. There are doors you are begging me to open that lead to rooms you are not ready to enter. There are people you want me to bring into your life who would derail your destiny. And because I love you too much to give you what would harm you, I stay silent until the right moment arrives. Let me tell you about a woman named Hannah. She wanted a child more than anything in this world. For years she prayed, fasted, wept before me, begged me to open her womb, and for years I said nothing. The silence was so painful that people mocked her. Her husband's other wife taunted her daily about her barrenness. Even the priest thought she was drunk when he saw her crying in the temple. Everyone around her interpreted my silence as rejection. They assumed she was cursed, that I had turned my back on her, that she was being punished for something. But here is what no one knew. I was not rejecting Hannah. I was waiting for the exact right moment to answer her prayer, because the child I was going to give her was not just any child. He was Samuel, the prophet who would anoint kings and change the course of a nation. If I had given Hannah a son earlier, he would not have been Samuel. The timing had to be precise. The preparation had to be complete. The season had to align. And when I finally answered her prayer, Hannah understood something powerful. She realized that my silence was not cruelty, it was precision. Every year she waited was a year Samuel was being formed for his purpose. Every tear she cried was watering the ground for a harvest beyond what she imagined. Every moment of silence was me working behind the scenes in ways she could not see but would eventually understand.
My child, you are in your Hannah season. You have been praying for something you believe you need right now, and my silence is making you question everything. But what if I told you that I am answering your prayer by not answering it yet? What if the delay is not denial, but development? What if I am protecting you from a version of your dream that would not satisfy you, that would not stretch you, that would not become the testimony you are meant to carry? You have been asking me for a relationship, but the person you want is not the person you need. If I gave you that relationship today, you would settle for less than I have planned for you. So I am silent, not because I do not care about your loneliness, but because I am preparing someone who will honor what I placed inside you. You have been asking me for a breakthrough in your finances, but if I released that breakthrough today, you would spend it on things that do not matter and miss the investment opportunity I am positioning you for next year. So I am silent, not because I want you to struggle, but because I am teaching you stewardship before I trust you with abundance. You have been asking me for clarity about your purpose. But if I showed you the fullness of your calling today, you would be overwhelmed by the weight of it. So I am silent, not because I am withholding your destiny, but because I am developing you.
step by step, so that when the fullness comes, you will be ready to carry it. Stop interpreting my silence as rejection. Start recognizing it as protection. Stop thinking I have forgotten you. Start trusting that I am positioning you. Stop begging me to answer faster. Start thanking me for loving you enough to wait for the right moment. The answer is coming, but it is not coming early because early would hurt you. It is coming precisely on time because on time will fulfill you. Every day of silence is a day of preparation. Every moment of waiting is a moment of development. Every season of wondering is a season of becoming. So hold on. Keep praying. Keep believing. Keep trusting. Because my silence does not mean no. It means not yet. And when the yet becomes now, you will understand why I made you wait. You will see that every delay was deliberate. You will realize that my timing is always perfect. And you will thank me for protecting you from every premature yes. The silence is ending. The answer is forming. Your season is shifting. Trust me.